everyone, so let's continue on with this process. This is step 2 of the treatment that I made for my hair. This is what I normally would do if I was doing this sort of treatment. So now we're going to get to the flat ironing and the blow process of my hair. Homesteading. Okay, so first impression after taking my hair down is that, one, look at my braids. That doesn't normally happen if I don't, especially if I haven't blow dried my hair yet. And this is kind of an amazing thing. So that's pretty good. That's new. Okay, I'll take it. The only other thing I ended up doing was that I added in a leave-in from Miele, and that's their biotin line. I'll have it up here somewhere, of the leave-in that I left in last night, and I braided it up, and I had to go to sleep, so that was all there is to that. But now we're going to go ahead and continue with the rest of this process, and I'll show you the next thing I'm going to add to it. Give me a minute to get it open because it's brand new. This is a whole new line as far as the styling aid is concerned that I'm trying. So I'll have it up here in the video somewhere, or in the descriptions below. Okay. So hopefully this is going to help seal it in and lock it in for a few days. Especially where we live, even with the cold weather, we still have a problem with humidity. My hair is still damp. But this is what it looks like taking it out with just that Miele conditioner. Now I have to say, after I added the Miele, it seemed like the texture of my hair changed. Do you see that? It didn't, like, it made it a bit like more frizzier almost. So that was interesting. I don't know if I will do this next time right away. Just to see if it might change the difference as far as the outcome and the finish process part of it. You know, like sometimes, for instance, when you do like a keratin treatment, you usually don't, like, once you do the treatment, you add the treatment to it, then you have to leave it for like 3 days, right? So this is sort of that same, the purpose of this whole treatment is that it's supposed to be a keratin treatment that you can make it for yourself at home. So that is the only thing that I have done different, was that I did add that leave-in, and this is the first time I've used this leave-in this year. So especially after a treatment like that. So this was the result that ended up happening. So I don't know if it kind of reverted it or what, but we're about to find out if I am able to still, I can tell that my hair is a different texture, like just by doing this alone with it damp. So that's different, but it just doesn't have that same curly look like I had showed you, like right after I rinsed it. So it changed that look. Okay. So just to give you an idea, just to give you a heads up on that, because I will be showing you that product that I used. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and quickly spray this in. Well, it'll be quick for you, but not for me. All right, so you guys have the gist of it by this point. So I'm gonna go ahead, stop it here, and finish the rest of my hair, except for like wherever I land in the front, and then finish that off with you guys. But for now, I'll be right back. You can also tell that my hair texture has changed because of the way I'm combing it. Otherwise, I'd say, don't be doing it like that. All right, so now I'm gonna let this sit and percolate for a little bit. I don't know how long. Probably for, I like to say maybe an hour before I do the next step and add the next styling aid. Okay, so I'll see you back in about an hour. All right, guys, I am back, and I'm going to go ahead and continue putting in the other products to help me with my blowout. I did end up letting this sit in my hair a little bit longer than I was anticipating, but you know, life on the homestead. Gotta go with the flow sometimes. Okay. Ooh, that's better. Smells lovely. Not too strong. Not too light. Oh, I think that's a little bit more than I wanted to put on there. Okay. I'm gonna put that much. Okay, so I've never used this product before, and I am not sure if I'm putting on too much, but I ended up putting on, I'm pretty sure I put too much on my hand right now, so I'm just gonna have to do this. And then go like this. Sometimes you just gotta go with the flow. All right, this is new. I have never been able to do something like this already. That's just with my hands. Wow. Okay, well, we'll see what it turns out like. I'm kind of excited now. Give you an idea of what my texture is in the front and in the back. Now, as far as my color is concerned, well, I guess that didn't work out so fantastic. But like I said, if I can get one out of the two, then we're doing good. And my new growth, this is growing in finally. I have something to braid here now. Oh, that's a result. All right, I'm gonna do this side. I'll be back when I'm done. Again, I could not do this easily before. Coming right through my hair like this? From the top down? Oh, heck no. Oh, hell no. Look at that. Nice. Yeah, my ends need to be trimmed. So heck, we're leaving them. Alright. There we go. Now, we're gonna blow dry. Blow dry, blow dry, blow, ow, 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 blow dry, blow dry. Now it's time to flat iron it. All right, so let's go ahead and get this going. So if you're wondering what my heat setting was for my flat iron, I started out at 375 and then later on I bumped it up to about 410 when I realized that my hair could handle that setting, and it also reduced the amount of passes that I was using on my hair. Now it's going to be different for you, possibly depending on your flat iron that you have and the texture your hair is going to be at when you're done with your treatment. So just feel it out like I did and see what works for you. Okay, so I am going to do this one last part here with you guys and then jam on the rest of it. I'm hoping that I can at least do this with one pass. All right, to be honest, I really cannot do the whole holding the comb in one hand and my flat iron at the same time. So we are gonna do it like this. And when I say we, I mean I am gonna do it like this. I definitely cannot do it on the other side. I tried it. Ain't happening. Me and my proper English. And I cannot do the one pass deal, so we're doing two passes. There you go, that's a sneak peek. I'm gonna finish up now. All right, you guys, so I'm almost done with my hair and I am a little bit, just teeny tiny bit excited. All right, guys, last little bit, here it is. Oh, good dog, oh my goodness. Yeah, buddy, look at that. Wow, that's like super flat. Oh my gosh. I've never got my hands flat before. Never. Okay, so I might have put in a little bit more product than I needed to. I think the next time I do this, I will make sure that oh, look at that. Wow, they do turn out like that. I like that. Okay, not mad at it. Great. After all of that flat ironing. And then the great reveal is, look, I got curls now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Don't mind how it's looking right now. Just don't mind it, okay? But just look. What? I've never been able to do that with my own hair. Ah. Oh my gosh, I'm like freaking out over this right now. Like that. Ah. Okay, all right, calm down. Gosh, you can't take me out anywhere. What? All right, I'll have to go and check this a little bit better, lay this down a little bit more, and I will be right back, and I will try to get this all straight so you guys can see what it looks like. But yeah, it's a little bit like, it's still, I think I put a little bit too much product in it, because it should have a lot more movement in it, so it's kind of heavy. I mean, I seriously have, I don't want to say it out loud, but you know, okay, I'll say it. It's kind of like white girl hair right now. Anyway, I'm just like so excited right now. Oh. Definitely represented the Filipina in me. Okay, so let me go. Oh, I'm so sorry. I can't stop playing with it. Be right back. All right, this is it, you guys. My hair is done for now. I have finished it. There you go. I have no idea what the back of my hair looks like, so tell me, comment down below if it looks all right. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, that's it. Oh, so I hope this helps, and I hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below if you like this video, and please let me know if you'd like to see more videos like this from me to you. All right, take care. Bye.